that's the lens from which I'm presenting. I hope it gives you a little bit of a framework of why I feel it is important to share from lived experience. And it's not just for myself. I mean, this presentation is not going to be me just talking about my own life. I think I've given you a little bit of a background on it, but I also want you to then develop, as we go through this course, an understanding of dissociation based on your own experiences with dissociation. As I've said here, and I'll explain more in the coming slides, dissociation is a normal human experience. And a teaching point that I've made now for quite a while is that if you can embrace that, recognize that, acknowledge it, and really learn to understand your own dissociative profile. So how might dissociation show up in my life? How might parts show up in my life? And can you use your own lived experience to be able to see clients more clearly and to maybe make more effective clinical judgments